Hey y'all, I'm cruising home and I had an idea. I was thinking about teachers and students and learning. The idea is that your brain, you yourself, you are a lock, you're a keyhole, and education is the key, and a teacher is the locksmith. So the teacher helps you build your key, make your key so it fits in the lock. And so their job is to try a different way. If you're not learning, they're the locksmith, so they'll file on your key a little bit and help you come up with a way that works for you. So that's all the teacher is doing, is building a whole bunch of custom keys of education to help you unlock your next level, or help you learn and grow and evolve. Alright, I like that little analogy. I hope you're having a good day, and I hope you choose joy.